Hello, young lords, viewers, everybody. I am going to talk about another interesting story today. The title of this story is The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore. The Homecoming is a heart rendering short story by Rabindranath Tagore. It is a story of a boy who gets neglected not only by his mother but also by her by his maternal aunt. Fatigue Chakravarti was a ringleader among the boys of his village. One day a mischief came into his mind. He planned to roll away a heavy log of wood which was lying at the bank of a river in the mud flat to be shaped into mast for a boat. Fatigue Chakravarti went to roll away the log with a group of his friends. His younger brother Makhan sat over the log resistingly. When Fatigue Chakravarti told him to get down the log, Makhan didn't get down. So Fatigue Chakravarti began to roll away the log with the force of his friends. Makhan fell down on the ground. He got up from the mother in earth and became very furious at Fatigue Chakravarti. He snatched his face, he beat him and abused him. Then he ran away his home. He complained to his mother about Fatigue Chakravarti. Makhan said to his mother that Fatigue had beaten him black and blue. He had abused him and tortured him a lot. Just then a stranger came at the bank of the river. The stranger asked Fatigue, "Where is Fatigue?" Fatigue told the stranger, "Here about or there about, go and find out him." Fatigue Chakravarti was called from home. A servant came to bring Fatigue with him to home. Fatigue thought that bad was coming to him. He sensed the trouble. Fatigue went to his house. As soon as he reached his house, his mother became very angry with him. Makhan beat him at home also. He abused him. Mother also beat Fatigue Chakravarti out of anger. Just then the stranger came. The stranger was the brother of Fatigue Chakravarti's mother. He ran a business in Bombay. When he heard that his sister had lost her husband, he came to see his sister. His name was Bisambhar. Bisambhar asked his sister about the education of Phatik and Makhan. Mother told Bisambhar that Phatik was not doing well. He was notorious, disobedient, and Makhan was good. He was obedient and he was good at study. Mother was prejudiced against Phatik Chakravarti. So Bisambhar said to his sister that he would take Phatik Chakravarti to Kolkata to educate him. Hearing this, Phatik Chakravarti became very curious, very eager to go to Calcutta soon. That night he could not sleep because of the ideas, the thoughts, the emotions that came up into his mind about the city of Calcutta. Bisambhar took Phatik Chakravarti to Kolkata. He enrolled him in a school. Phatik Chakravarti was not paying attention to his teacher in the class. He neglected his study at school. His teacher also rebuked him very much. When the teachers gave him homework, Phatik Chakravarti could not complete his homework. Once he lost his lesson book. When he told his aunt that he had lost his lesson book, she became very furious with him. She told Phatik Chakravarti that she would not buy 4 or 5 books, exercise books, in a month for him. The aunt did not have any love for Phatik Chakravarti. She thought that Phatik Chakravarti was an addition to her already overburdened family of 3 children plus husband and wife. Phatik Chakravarti suffered much hardship over there. He thought of the river, the garden of his village. He thought of the sailing in the boat near his village. He longed to walk in the garden and in the field, but that was not possible in Calcutta. There was tall houses, tall buildings in Calcutta, and he had no space, no field to play over there, to move out there. So Phatik was very unhappy to be in Kolkata. One day, Phatik Chakravarti fell ill. He had a severe headache. He had a malarial fever. His fever could not come down. His condition was getting bad to worst. He was taken to a doctor. The doctor said that the condition of Phatik was bad. It was getting bad to worst. During the night, Phatik Chakravarti was very unhappy, very miserable. He was rolling in his bed and crying. His uncle had told him that holidays are about to come. When holidays would come, Phatik Chakravarti would go to his village. So during that night, he usually told, the holidays have come. Vishambhar sent for his mother. Vishambhar sent for his sister, the mother of Phatik Chakravarti. The mother of Phatik Chakravarti came to Calcutta. As soon as she saw her son Phatik Chakravarti, she became very unhappy. She said to Phatik Chakravarti, my darling son, what has happened to you? What trouble you are in? But Phatik Chakravarti said, holy days have come. Holy days have come. Phatik Chakravarti remained in his bed, and he could not wake up. Then he slept forever. This story tells us that when a child had such a treatment at home, such torture at home, he is bound to become bad. Phatik Chakravarti was in his teen. He was 14 years old, and the 14-year-old child needs love of parents, love of mother, love of father. But Phatik Chakravarti could not have immense love of his mother. Even his aunt could not show love on Phatik Chakravarti. The result is that Phatik Chakravarti died one day. This is a very pathetic short story about the psychology of a child.